Hello students, my name is Rajan Kumar. It is my 8th video on quadratic equations. This video is for class 10th in mathematics. Now I am going to discuss 3 questions in this video. Now, in 2-digit number, sum of digit is 16. When 18 is subtracted from the number, digits interchange their place, find the number. Listen my dear, 2-digit number means what? The number that consists tens place digit and ones place digit, just like 10, 11, 12, and so on till 99. They are all 2-digit number. Suppose you are writing 23. If you have to write in expanded form, you are writing 23 as 10 into 2 plus 3. That is 23. Just like I suppose tens place number, ones place number, and I will write this number in expanded form. Okay, 10 into tens place number plus ones place number pattern. Now look here. In 2-digit number, digit at tens place suppose x, and digit at ones place suppose 16 minus x. Why it is 16 minus x? Suppose the number is 97. The 9 and 7 sum is 16. Okay, so you can say, suppose the number at tens place is 9, the ones place is 16 minus 9, that is 7. So by the way, we can say here sum of digit is 16 given. The suppose tens place number is x, the ones place number is 16 minus x. Suppose here 9, there it is 7, the 9, 16 minus 9, by this way. The digit at tens place is x, the digit at ones place is 16 minus x. Okay. So what is the expanded form for the writing 2-digit number? 10 into tens place number plus ones place number. Just like 23 discussed, 10 into 2 plus 3. The 10 into x, 10x plus 16 minus x. There it is 10x minus x, 9x plus 16. So initial 2-digit number is 9x plus 16. Now, on interchanging the place of digit, that means 97 becomes 79. Okay, so what was the number at tens place become the number of ones place, and what was the number of ones place become the number of tens place. And here tens place is x, now ones place is x. Ones place is 16 minus x, now tens place is 16 minus x. So here we can say same it is in expanded form, 10 into tens place plus 1 place. So on interchanging the place of digit, tens place number is 16 minus x or ones place number is x. So new number will be 10 into 16 minus x plus x. So after doing calculation, 10 into 16 is 160, 10 into x minus 10x plus x. 160 minus 9x, this is the number we got after interchanging the place of digit in 2-digit number. And this is the number 9x plus 16, that is the initial number of 2-digit that is got according to the conditions. Now, here it is written, if when 18 is subtracted from the number, and what is the original number from this number, if I subtract 18, we are getting the new number. Okay, so here it is, if 18 is subtracted from the number, the digit interchange the place. If interchange the place, new number is this. So from this number, if I subtract 18, we are getting the new number. So look at this, here it is, 9x plus 16 is the original number. From this number 18 subtracted, we are getting the new number. Now 9x plus 16 minus 18, 160 minus 9x. 9x will go that side, become 9x, 9x, 18x, and 16 and 18 will go this side. So it will minus, it will plus. So sum will be 162. So 18x equal to 162. So x equal to 162 by 18 and in 9. X value I got 9. What is the x value in original condition? That is the tens place. So according to this manipulation, your 2-digit number is 9x plus 16. So put the value of x in 9x plus 16, not in 160 minus 9x. You have to put in the original number, not of this number. So 9 into 9 plus 16, 81 plus 16, 97. Okay, check. New number, original number is 97. If you subtract 16 from this, it become if you subtract 18 from this, not 16 from this, 18 from this, you are getting 79. So this is this is the correct answer. Now next question, here it is, another question on two digit number. It is a two digit number in which product of digit is 18. The two digit number means tens place number and ones place number combination form of two digit number. So what is the number of tens place or what is the number on ones place? When you do the product, the digit is 18 is coming. So suppose here one number is 2, another number is 9. 2 into 9, 18. If one number is 2, the another number 18 by 2. Then you are getting 9. So how could I write this one? So here first we write, in two digit number, let the digit at tens place x. The digit at ones place 18 by x, because when you multiply this one, the 18 will come. So what is the question of you is saying? In two digit number, product of digit is 18. So when you do the product, 18 is coming. Okay. Now what is the two digit number? 10 into tens place plus ones place. 10x plus 18 by x. Take the LCM. 10x square plus 18 by x, it is the original two digit number. Now look the question. So a two digit number, product of digit is 18, I have discussed. When 63 subtracted from the number, digit interchange their place. So let me do the form. We have to get the form after interchanging the place. And x is tens place, now it is ones place. And 18 by x is ones place, now it is tens place. So on interchanging the place, two digit number will be 10 into 18 by x, because 18 by x, now it is tens place, and plus x. The 180 by x plus x, the x square, 180 plus x square by x. According to question is there, when 63 subtracted from original number, we are getting the new number, that is got by interchanging the place. So this is the original number, 10x square plus 18 by x. From this number, if I subtract 63, we are getting the new number, that is got by after interchanging the place. Now this one directly I send this side, 63 this side. X will be the LCM and x will go here, 63x. And now just break the bracket. 10x square plus 18 minus 180 minus x square. 10x square minus x square, 9x x square. 63x will go that side, and 18 minus 180 become 162. You can take common 9. 9 you have taken common, x square minus 7x minus 18 equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 18 equal to 0, because 9 will go that side, 0 and 9 become 0. Now use the splitting of middle term. Here it is 1, here it is 18. 1 into 18, 18. 18 we can write 9 to the 18, 9 minus 2, 7. So minus 7 we can write minus 9 plus 2. The x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 18 equal to 0. We can take common in first two term and last two term. If you take common x from first two term, x minus 9. Last two term, 2 into x minus 9. X minus 9 taken common, x plus 2 is remaining. Now there are two factors, one by one, I just equate with 0. X minus 9 equal to 0, x equal to 9. Okay. Now what is the two digit number? Original, this one, 180. What is the original? Oh, this one is original. 10x square plus 18 by x. So 10 into x square plus 18 by x, in which I have to put the value x equal to 9. The 10 into 9 square plus 18 by 9. 9 square is 81. 81 into 10, 810 plus 18, 828 by 9, that is 92. So your required answer is 92. Second factor, look, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So why minus 2 is not accepted? Because it is invalid. Why it is invalid? Because digits are never be negative, they always be a natural number. Okay, so here x equal to negative, it is not valid. So 92 is the right answer. Okay, 9 and 2, 18. Okay, in 92, if you subtract 63, you are getting 29. So it is the right answer. Okay. Now, in next question, I will discuss age type of problem. Age. Look at this. The age of a man is twice the square of sun age. So I have to suppose something. Okay, the age of man is depending upon twice the square of sun age, and it is one variable depend on the another variable. The age of man is twice the square of his sun age. So we have to suppose the sun age. Let sun present age x. Age of man is twice the square of his sun age. So what is the sun age x? Do square x square and twice multiply by 2. This is the man present age. The age of man is twice the square of his sun age, and his sun age suppose x, man age become 2x square. Now proceed. 8 years hence, and 8 years is added in both. Sun age will be x plus 8, man age will be 2x square plus 8. And now 8 years hence, the age of man will be, and after 8 years, what is the age of man? That time is discussing. Will be 4 years more than 3 times the sun age. So 8 years, this is the age of man, sun, this is the age of man. This age of man is 4 more than thrice the sum of that thrice the age of sun at that time. And after 8 years, what is the man age? That is equal to the 4 more than 3 times the age of sun at that time. So just calculate 2x square plus 8 equal to 3x plus 24 plus 4. 24, 4, 28. 28 will subtract here. 8 minus 28 become 20. It will go minus here. Now use the splitting of middle term. 2 into 20, 40. 40 we can write 8 5 are 40. 8 minus 5, 3. The minus 3 means minus 8 plus 5. First two term and last two term we have to take common. 2x into x minus 4. Then 5 into x minus 4, x minus 4 taken common, 2x plus 5, x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. So sun present age is 4 years. Okay. Now man present age, you put the value 4 here, 2x square. The 2 into x square. This is the present age. Na? So this is the present age. You just do here. What is the value? The value will be 32. The value will be here 32. Let me write the value here. Let me do. Here it is. I have added 2x square plus 8. That is not. That is 32 years. Clear? That is sun age 4 years. Man age 2 into x square. 2 into 4 square. 4 square 16. 2 are 32 years. So, your original answer. Now, second factor 2x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to minus 5 by 2. It is invalid because age never be negative. Thank you.